If you've ever taken down your mini twist and ended up with a handful of hair loss, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you my easy breakage free method to take down mini twists in order to preserve your ends and to retain that length you've worked so hard for. So let's get straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join my community. So I've had this mini twist on for more than 5 weeks. You can see how dry and matted up it looks. So dry, and you can tell it needs a saving. If you're somebody that lacks patience, you should not even think of installing mini twists in the first place, because you need a lot of patience in order to take it down carefully without ending up with a lot of breakage. So first things first, I like to section my hair into 3 parts. You can choose to section it into more than that, but just for easy access. So I go in first with my water, then my conditioner. You can choose to use any conditioner of your choice. You can use a leave-in conditioner or a detangler, but I choose to use this conditioner because it has a lot of slip. So I dampen my hair with the water, I spritz it well before going in with the conditioner. I make sure to massage it into the hair well so that it can soften it up. The next step is to start by unraveling the twist from the tip, and not from the middle or from the root of the twist. It has to be from the tip first, so you don't end up with a lot of knots. Then you'll gradually loosen and find your way down to the roots. My main aim of installing mini twists is because they are a long-term protective style, and it promotes length retention and minimize daily manipulation. Basically, less daily styling means less stress on my strands and on my scalp, thereby reducing breakage in order for me to retain more length. Once you get to the root of the hair, you'd separate each twist and detangle gently, just like the way I'm doing in this video. Now you repeat the same process for the rest of the hair, for the rest of the section of the hair. You gently loosen from the tip, and once you notice any knots, you go in with more conditioner or water to keep softening the knots, and then you detangle gently. I like to retwist the ones I've loosened so they don't mess up with the one I'm trying to loosen or end up tangling with the one I'm trying to loosen. So you get, this was actually the next day because I didn't finish loosening it that same day. I had to pause and resume back the next day. So like I said, you need all the patience in this world when it comes to taking down your mini twist. And if you can't do it yourself, go to a salon that is into natural hair, that would pamper your hair and, take care of it just the way you would. So I ended up with minimal breakage, like it should be when you patiently take down your mini twist. Like this breakage is actually normal. So thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.